Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello sir, my name is Trisni Clara, and in this video I want to make a presentation video to talk about what I get when I read the topic. Why is language worth to studying? Because for me, language is very important to use. Why important? Because without language we can't talk to each other, and they didn't get understand what we say if we didn't use a language. For example, to talk with deaf people, we must to use a sign language or body language to make they get understand what we say. And also with animals, we must to use animal language to make they get understand what we want, or they make make us understand that what they want, right? And talk about what does linguistic cover. Linguistic deals with human language, and human language is just one way in which people to communicate and gather information to tell about what's going on in our world. And we can use a language to convey information, to ask opinion, and also we can show our feeling to each other to know how we feel. And one obvious way of studying language into is to consider what its elements are. There are have 7 elements. Is the first is phonetic. Phonetic is science tell about how sound can create with some part of body like mouth, teeth, tongue. There the sign is just have a relationship. Just a, this sign just discuss about relationship with some part of body can create sound for spoken of language. And the second is the phonology. The second is phonology. Phonology tell about system in a language, and designs one part of linguistic have a relationship with how to spoke of a language. The third is morphology. Morphology is science tell about how to create a word, because morphology deals with internal structure words. The fourth is syntax. Syntax is the rules how to create sentence into a language nature. Syntax is concerned with the way in which into in which word can be organized into sentence, and sentence will be understanding. The fourth is semantic. Semantic is the meaning of language, but in semantic we have divided into two parts. The first is lexical semantic. Lexical semantic have a relationship with word, but sentence semantic have a relationship with meaning of sentence. The sixth is pragmatics. Pragmatics is how conversation is managed, and also study about relationship with context, with language, and which analyze language understanding. And the last is lexicology. Lexicology is the part of linguistic dealing the vocabulary of the language and the properties of the word as the main units. And language has two additional function. The first is interpersonal and the second is the textual. That reflect the fact language is influenced by the social and linguistic context it which in which it is used. On another level, language dependent on the linguistic context. Okay, sir, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention, sir. Thank you for your attention, sir. I'm sorry if I made a lot mistake, and thank you, sir.